Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Jay here. I got a unboxing. It's not a true unboxing, but it's an unboxing of a pair of Christian Louboutins. I haven't worn these before, so they still are fresh, as fresh can be. I've had them almost a year or two, and I've just literally haven't worn them. They're just sat on my shelf and just too pretty to be worn, I guess. Thank you for all the comments in the previous videos as well. Remember to subscribe to my channel to get all the latest videos that I do, and also remember to thumbs up as well. Just trying to get up there as well. So today I have here with me is the box itself. It is Christian Louboutin. I got these about 2 to 3 years ago actually. I just never worn them. So let's get straight into the unboxing as well. So it usually comes in a bag similar to this, and it's red inside. I haven't got the bag with me, I believe. I think I threw that one away, just because it's feels like a recycled one. So I got these in the size 42, which I believe is 8.5. I will double check inside as well. So as you can see, this is the box itself, and it comes over here with what ones it is. These are the calf spikes, black. These were very hard to get at one stage, but now I think it's a regular item they have on their website, which is always in stock. So yeah, so let's take the lid off, and in here you get 2 dust bags, which I will show you up close. They are really soft. They are all white, and then it's got Christian Louboutin in red. I believe there's also, in some of them, come a red dust bag instead of a white. You get 2, 1 for each shoe, which I think, if you're paying this much for a pair of shoes, I believe you should get 2. I think 1 will be just, you know, taking the mickey. So they're really soft, and they've got the string on one side where you can pull it open, pull it closed. And I do believe they're probably machine washable. So I try my best to put it back in the box nicely. But it comes like this, and they put a tissue, it's really soft material actually, in between, just so the spikes don't hit each of the shoe and don't get damaged. But I have the, as you can see, the Christian Louboutin calf spike, all in black. As you can see, I did wear them in the house, and in one of them it does have a bit of a crease mark, which I cannot see. Let me see. Yeah, I can't find it, so it's probably on the other shoe. So it comes with all spikes over the side. Obviously the infamous, or should I say very famous, red sole. As you can see, they are fully fresh. And the one good thing about these is it is rubber, so they're easy cleanable, and the red won't fade away. The only problem I did when I was walking about with them in the house is that, I don't know whether it's the way I walk, but the spikes did sometimes hit each other. Now I do believe that they give you extra spikes just in case they do come off. Let me see what size they are. There's got a bit, I think, tissue stuck on it, I'm not sure. Some glue, there we go. So it is a 42. I'll need to double check online what size is a 42, and in the bottom it has in gold writing Christian Louboutin, Paris. So these, when I did try them on in the house, they weren't comfortable. I mean, you probably can go to the restaurant or, you know, have an hour's walk of this. I wouldn't say these are like amazingly comfortable to walk around in. So that's one of the shoes. And this is the other one. I've got the tissue still in this one. I believe I lost the tissue from the other one. As you can see here, I don't know if it's in there. I think it's got it, but the crease is just over here. And then again, the red sole. And yeah, I mean, they are really, really sleek. They were good to go with a pair of skinny jeans, or denim jeans with a camel top blazer, black t-shirt, and having these on, I think it look amazing. I don't know, I think with my Louboutins, I don't like the really flashy ones. I prefer something that's like discreet, and when you look at them you're like, oh, they are really nice. I don't like the ones that are like gold on one side and full white and it's got like multicolours on the front, and it's, for me, I think that's too much for a shoe. I think if you're going to have a shoe, have it simple but elegant and just really stylish. So that is that. I got these from Selfridges in the UK. And they were actually, oh, okay, they were actually cheaper than I thought they were. They're £845. Yeah, I think, let me just double check. I believe they might have gone up now, because when I last saw them, I believe they were £949. So I never knew that they go up in price, which is a bit weird for me. I just thought they all stayed the same price. But yeah, and the salesperson here was Lydia, I believe. I remember she did save them for me. Let's see how, if it comes up. Okay, so yeah, they actually have gone up by over £100, which is a bit, if that comes up, if it's, this thing never focuses, God. So they gone up by £100, which is a bit weird, but hey. But yeah, I remember it was really hard to get these at that time. She did put them on hold to me, and I had to rush down there before it was closing and pick them up. But yeah, the service was really, I always thought that Selfridges in London, the service is quite like good, even every time I go into Christian Louboutin. I just feel like they always give you a high, no matter how you're dressed up, or, you know, their service is there. It's like, sometimes if you go in other stores, they're just like, they look at you and like, you know what, it doesn't look like you're buying anything today, so we're not going to give you the time of day. But Selfridges, they're always quick on the ball, maybe because they get commission, I'm not sure. So yeah, so the spikes, they give you 2, 4, 5, and they're a bit, they look like that. So I don't know how they go on. It's got a little hole in the middle. I mean, how are they meant to go on? Do they just stick on? Is there something that comes out of them, like, and you just push it on? I'm not sure. I haven't worn them to know how they go on, but I mean, that's what you get. I mean, for the price they are, I think they are nice. They're well made as well, which I think is quite nice. These are one of shoes that I actually really like. I'm planning on to get the all black ones with the silver studs. I've been keeping an eye out on them, and I'm just waiting to bite the bullet. I just want to get a few other things that I've seen before I go around getting a few things that I don't really need that are not on my wish list. So yeah, remember to subscribe to my channel, remember to like the video, comment down below as well. You're always more than welcome to ask more questions and I'll get back to you lot. And have a look at all my other videos. It's a pleasure making a video for you lot today again, and hopefully I shall see you in my next videos. Commenting down below and subscribing. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.